Hello everyone and welcome back for another video. If you have been approved to join a YouTube partner program, this is what you got, a congratulations message. Okay, that doesn't mean you're gonna make a million. Okay, it doesn't even mean you're gonna make even 50 US dollars. Depend of the traffic on your YouTube channel, also the kind of content you create. So let's start. From here you just click get started. Here click turn on for your ad. You click next. You click monetize all or finish later. Now click monetize all. Now let's go back to our videos and see content. As you can see here, it's still updating. This might take some time because it's doing bulk update. I'm gonna go back to monetization. As you can see here, I'm already associated to a AdSense account. Okay, so we're gonna wait, and then I want to show you what's gonna happen here. As you can see, everything's off right now. This might take some time. Dashboard. As you can see here, welcome to YouTube Partner Program. Okay. Okay, as you can see now, it's on. Everything's on here. Okay. As you can see, it's on. This video is not eligible because it's age restricted. Okay. I'm gonna open this video and then see if there's ad running on it. Okay, as you can see here, there's already ad running on this video. You can see it here. Okay, but remember, you are not allowed to watch your ad, otherwise you will be in trouble with AdSense. Okay, I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like it, share it, and subscribe.